Connect your PREMET X with a pressure sensor. If you use an optional TDC or acoustic emission sensor, connect the relevant cable as well. Please refer to the relevant video how to use additional sensors. Press the on-off button for about 3 seconds to switch the device on and press any key to move to the main screen. Choose Measure to open the measurement screen. Your PREMET X will remember the last engine you measured. Please check in the headline what engine is currently active. If you want to measure a different engine, go back to Home and choose Engine. In the next screen, choose Open to open a new engine or New to set up a new engine in your PREMET X. If the right engine is on the display, press Home and go back to the main screen and choose Measure again. Make sure the sensors connected are active. You can choose either sensor or both. The TDC sensors are detected automatically. Check the settings are according to your requirements. To change one parameter, highlight it with the up and down button and then press Enter. Start the measurement in manual or in automatic mode. Since the scavenge air pressure is important, you are requested to double check the relevant setting. Now your PREMET X is ready to take measurements from all cylinders consequentially, without any further push of a button. Connect the sensor with the indicator valve of the first cylinder, open the valve and monitor the display. Close the valve when the device tells you to do so and move to the next cylinder. Repeat the procedure until all cylinders have been measured. In case you want to stop the measurement or to retake a measurement of one cylinder already measured, you can leave the automatic mode at any time by pressing Escape. Activate the cylinder you want to measure by pressing on the symbol or using up and down buttons. The active cylinder is marked with a dotted line. Now press Retake on the touch screen or hold Enter for 3 seconds. A new measurement is forced. Previous measurement data will be overwritten for this one cylinder. Already measured cylinders have a colored frame. Cylinders with the result displayed on the screen are completely colored. You can display several cylinders together simultaneously. Zoom does zoom into the graph in 4 steps. You can also choose bar or table view by selecting the relevant button. The table view does also have 2 zoom steps. To download the data, connect the device with a computer via an USB cable. On the device, press Home and choose Connect to PC. Open the viewer software provided. If you don't have the software installed, you can also run it from the device memory. If you have any problems, please send us an email or call us on the number displayed.